we actually have this cheaper model we got years ago when we first moved in this house. This is a lot cheaper, in fairness. It has served us a lot, but when I did my laundry, it took me a half day or almost a day to finish everything. This is how I do my laundry and paperwork at the same time. So I'm setting up everything. Just make sure the water source is on, because one time I was so busy I forgot to turn on the water source. I waited for the laundry to finish, but actually I forgot the water. There was laundry inside, the detergent and all, but it did not work. So anyway, we're having here the dirtiest clothes we have. For the lazy mom laundry, or let's say the busy mom laundry. Oh, see, I almost forgot the detergent. So in here, so the power of estimates. I'm not so keen on measurements, so in that way my life is a little stress-free, because I don't have to be so exact at everything. So there. We've dropped in the clothes, the detergent, the softener, water source, and now we decide what kind of clothes these are. So since these are the dirtiest, we press fuzzy and then start. Voila! So let's just wait how much time we have to leave it there. So it says we'll just have to wait for 53 minutes. So in the meantime, I can go back to my paperwork, or I can probably wash the dishes for like 15 minutes, and by then this will be finished. So we can see that the power has turned off. Washing is done. So let's check inside how it looks like. So the clothes are all outside, probably from all the spinning and drying. They're just damp and ready for hanging.